Hearing a constant ringing, buzzing, or humming sound in your ears can be frustrating and distracting. For some people, it's a faint background noise. For others, it can be more noticeable and difficult to ignore. This condition is known as tinnitus, and one possible cause that's often overlooked is earwax. Earwax is a natural substance that protects your ears by trapping dust and debris. Most of the time, it doesn't cause any problems, but when it builds up and becomes impacted, it can interfere with how your ear functions. When earwax blocks the ear canal, it can prevent sound from reaching the eardrum properly. This disruption can cause your brain to compensate for the lack of sound input, sometimes resulting in the perception of ringing or buzzing. In other cases, the pressure from the wax itself can irritate the ear and contribute to these unusual sounds. You may also notice other symptoms alongside the ringing. These can include muffled hearing, a feeling of fullness in the ear, or even slight dizziness. It's important to understand that tinnitus is not always caused by earwax. It can also be linked to other factors such as hearing loss, exposure to loud noise, or underlying ear conditions. However, when earwax is the cause, the good news is that it's usually temporary. Once the blockage is removed, many people experience a noticeable reduction or even complete disappearance of the ringing sound. Trying to remove earwax at home can sometimes make tinnitus worse. Using cotton buds or other objects can push the wax deeper into the ear, increasing pressure and symptoms. That's why professional treatment is the safest option. Microsuction allows an audiologist to remove earwax precisely and gently without adding pressure or introducing water into the ear. At Hearing First Mill Hill, we often see patients who are concerned about tinnitus only to find that earwax is the underlying cause. After treatment, they're often surprised at how quickly their symptoms improve. If you're experiencing ringing in your ears, it's important not to ignore it. While it may be something simple like earwax, it's always best to have it properly assessed. With the right care, you can get back to clear, comfortable hearing